Hi there! Welcome to Essential Grammar in Use. The lessons we have here in this book are written by Raymond Murphy. This video is brought to you by Camglish.com. And my name is Angel. I'll be guiding you throughout the exercises. Join me as we accomplished exercises 101.3 and 100.1 or point 4 of this book. If you remember, in our previous topic, we discussed about relative clause. That was lesson 1 of unit 101. We learned that a relative clause is a dependent clause introduced by our relative pronouns like that, which, who, whom, whose, whichever, whoever, and whomever. It is a subordinate clause that modifies a noun, phrase, most commonly a noun. That is a relative clause. Now, we did exercises 100.1 and 2 in our previous video. Now join me as I answer, or as I lead you to answer these exercises, okay? Let's have this one. Write who or which. You have to find out whether who, the word who or which, is going to be used in the following word or sentences. Let's have one. As an example, I met a woman who can speak 6 languages. We use the word who instead of which because it refers to person, and woman is a person, right? Now, please do exercises or numbers 2 to 9 on your own while pausing the video. And when you're done, you can play it again for checking, okay? Let's start now. Now let's start checking your answer. But before that, I'd like to remind you that the word which is only used for things, okay? If we want to introduce things, okay? Alright. Now let's have number 2. What's the name of the man who has just started work in your office? So who is the right answer? Number 3. What's the name of the river which flows through the town? Object, idea, a place, but it doesn't refer to person, right? And number 4. Where is the picture which was hanging on the wall? And number 5. Do you know anybody who wants to buy a car? Number 6. You always ask questions which are difficult to answer. Number 7. I have a friend who is very good at repairing cars. Number 8. I think everybody who went to the party enjoyed it very much. We use who because we have here everybody is our subject, right? Number 9. Why does he always wear clothes which are too small for him? That's the right answer for number 9. Now let's go to activity 101.4. Right or wrong. You have to tell me if the sentence is correct or not. Then if it's not right, you have to correct the mistake. But when it's okay or right, you just put the word okay. Alright? So let's have 1 and 2 as our examples. A thief is a person which steals things. A thief is a person, so we shouldn't use which. We have to make it who. A thief is a person who steals things, right? And number 2, an airplane is a machine that flies. That's right. We use the word that for the object airplane, right? Now let's answer 3 to 9. But I have to let you do it on your own so you can check your ability, right? Now you have to press the pause button of that video so you can do the exercises on your own. Let's start now. Okay guys, students, let's check your answers now. Number 3, a coffee maker is a machine who makes coffee. Do you think that's right? Of course not. It should be A coffee maker is a machine which makes coffee. Well, if your answer is that, the word that's also correct. A coffee maker is a machine that makes coffee. Okay, it counts. Number 4, have you seen the money that was on the table? We used that here. Okay, so it's okay. Number 5, I don't like people which never stop talking. Of course, we cannot use which because we are referring to people. So we should say, I don't like people who never stop talking. Or we can also say, I don't like people that never stop talking. That's also appropriate. Now let's have number 6. I know somebody that can help you. You can also say, I know somebody who can help you, because we have the subject somebody. And number 7, I know somebody who works in that shop. It's okay. We can also say, I know somebody that works in that shop. Alright? And number 8, correct the sentences who are wrong. Of course, we cannot say who for sentences, right? We should say the sentences which are wrong. Or we can use that are wrong. Correct the sentences which or that are wrong. Okay? Number 9. My neighbor bought a car who cost £40,000. Do you think that's right? Of course, that's not right. It should be, my neighbor bought a car that costs £40,000, or which costs £40,000, right? Okay, well, did you get the same answers that I wrote? I hope so. You got a good score for today's task. Well, thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope to see you next time. Do not forget to review our previous lesson. It will help you improve your grammar, okay? Again, my name is Angel, and I'm your teacher in learning English grammar. You can see me in camglish.com if you want to study with me or with other teachers to improve your English. Then enroll now. Goodbye and have a nice day.